Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel, Tony Best Cosmetics. In this channel I review more about skincare and haircare products. If it's your first time seeing my video, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and also click on the bell icon so you will be notified whenever I upload a new video. Today I will discuss more about Veet Gold Vitamin C Oil. Veet Gold Vitamin C Oil is 100% natural essential oil. It is a whitening and glowing oil that contains SPF 15, and it is a 7 days whitening oil. It is a face and body oil. Veet Gold Vitamin C Oil can relieve mood and stress, and improve insomnia caused by anxiety. It has whitening, moisturizing, and anti-aging effects on the proliferation, and anti-oxidation of hyaluronic acid. Helps to improve the fine lines and wrinkles, dark spots, even skin tone, aging skin, and sunburn. Veet Gold Vitamin C Oil Corrector is formulated from mixture of different natural plants to give the face and body a natural glowing look, and helps fade away the appearance of dark spots, fine lines, uneven skin tone and sunburns. Face oils are one of many skin care solutions out there. They are specially formulated to work with your natural skin oils to help keep your skin balanced. Our skin naturally makes oils and lipids, which help prevent water loss from our skin and keep it hydrated. How to use Veet Gold Vitamin C Oil. After cleansing your skin, apply the proper amount onto the skin palm of your hand and apply it to the skin face, neck, back, hand, and feet for a soothing massage until the skin is absorbed. Benefits of using Veet Gold Vitamin C Oil. 1. It helps to stop the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. 2. It helps to clear away dark spots. 3. It makes uneven skin to look healthy. 4. It helps to stop the appearance of aging skin. 5. It clears and prevents sunburn. Side effects of Veet Gold Vitamin C Oil. It has no side effects, but if you have sensitive skin, don't apply the oil because it might trigger your skin. Thanks for watching my video. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel and click on the bell icon also. See you on the next video.